What's up everyone, this is Anthony from Start With Crypto. Today we're gonna download a Windows wallet for our computer. Wallets are available in Windows, Linux and Mac OS. However, today we're gonna download ourselves a Windows wallet because this is the most used operating system and we're trying to find the best one to store our cryptocurrency safely. Alright, let's get started on downloading Exodus wallet. First we'll go on Google. Typing Exodus wallet, going to the official Exodus website. Watch out for scams, sometimes they impersonate websites and everything, so you gotta watch out for that. So we'll just press get Exodus now. The desktop version would be good. As you can see, there has a lot of versions: Windows, Mac, Linux, Debian based Linux, and other distro based Linux. We just download the Windows one. So let's just wait for a second to download. Alright, so to install, we just press on the file. The file should be open in a few seconds. We can minimize the Exodus website now. So we just have this screen that says installing Exodus wallet. So it's already installing Exodus wallet. So when the install will be completed, there is a message saying Exodus can't be installed. You can run it by clicking the shortcut on your desktop or in the app menu. Meaning we have a shortcut in our desktop now and in our menu here. Okay, back to the video. We just installed Exodus wallet. So in Exodus wallet we need to select the coins we need to have a wallet for, meaning we got to select the coins we'll actually use and deposit and safely store in our Windows computer. Also, if you deposit DAI or Cardano, you get an interest rate of 7 to 9% depending on the coin from Exodus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more crypto news, for more tutorials and more coin reviews. Please stay safe and stay on crypto.